out of gas. Shit.
I'm out of gas. You're out of gas. They're out of gas. There goes the milk run.
All right, quit whining. We just gotta hike to this Ducatel diesel.
Man, it is really starting to pour.
What makes you think they still have gas?
Because if they don't, we gonna be stuck here forever, Nick.
Let's just get this done and get back.